The United Nations Climate Change Conference has just opened on Monday, with organizers from 192 nations. This could be the last best chance for a deal to protect the world from the calamitous global warming.
Of course, in terms of mitigation and adaptation, these are two parts of the problem. Although I know developing countries like India, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, they are on both sides of the equation. But from Bangladesh point of view, I think we are looking for a firm commitment from the Annex 1 countries in terms of adaptation.
Meanwhile, the representatives of Youth Climate Coalition staged a flash mob right outside the plenary hall to show their concern and support.
And with our dance, we're trying to emphasise that if we've got this vision as young people, as potential leaders, that we really are hoping that the people who are trying to represent us in these negotiations can feel some of our energy, feel some of our hope, and apply that to these negotiations.
The world now is suffering greatly from the climate change. A severe flood has just hit Jakarta in Indonesia. The flood has become more frequent in recent years, causing about 450,000 people to leave their homes. Local people are now getting water rescue training to adapt to the situation. The self-rescue is quite effective, but not for long-term solution.
We should not stop with the knowledge that we are vulnerable. We need to do something more to come up with really concrete plans.
Meanwhile, glacial lakes in Himalayas are threatening Nepal since many of them appear to be at risk of bursting. Veteran climber and mountain guide Epa Shepa, who has scaled Mount Everest at a record of 21 times, said when he climbed Everest at the first time in 1989, the peak was covered with snow and ice. But now, the surface is mostly rocks. There's a danger of loose rocks falling on the climbers, and because of the rocks, we're not able to grip onto the ground with our crampons. Glacial lakes in Himalayas mountain region of Nepal are increasing in volume because of the rapid melting of snow and ice due to the increasing temperature.
These communities are extremely vulnerable to the climatic changes that are happening in the Himalayas. In fact, they are the front line to the mountains, and so we would like to make them climate smart. So which means they have to be more resilient, they have to be more adaptive, and also they will have to basically adopt a way of life that prepares them for that change.